All right, so I got my small needle, which came with the pack in, and I left about maybe like 6 inches. Now you can go ahead and wrap it twice just to make sure it doesn't fall out as you're going through. But here we go, I got a little trail piece that I'm gonna start going right under, sticking it through the hole. Just gonna go all the way through. So my pattern has it going over each time from the factory setting, and all the YouTube videos I've seen, they go down on the same side, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, which would be easier, but I'm gonna try and match how it looks originally. So I put it in on the same side as that extra string. I'm gonna go right across to the hole. Just pull that all the way through. Okay. I'm gonna go back through the same hole. Now, if you're gonna do it like this, just be careful to not overlap these yarn, because it will tie in a knot and make your life really hard. Another tip not to get knots is to hold out the excess string as you're pulling it through the hole, because if you get a knot, it'll make this a living hell, just like as you can see right here. But now I have it going back through the same hole. I'm just gonna go straight down, so that it goes on top of it. Now I'm gonna go across. I guess over top is fine. Now after I go across, go back through the same hole, being really careful to not cross the yarn and tie a knot. Now I'm gonna go right back down so that it will keep that pattern of it going down, across, across, down. And I'm gonna repeat this process a lot more times until I get to the bottom. You can use needle nose pliers to help get this through if you need. But this is turning out better than I thought. Let's get it. You know, it's all about trial and error. We always fail, but it's about how you get up. Words of wisdom. What the f? Ah, yo, come on. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna start from the bottom. All right, so I got like 2 sections done. It's all sewn up. I'm gonna go through, tighten it up before I tie them off. But I have 3 points that I'm gonna need to tie off because this one broke as I was going down. But I have enough on both sides to tie off, do at least a double knot. So let me tighten these up. Right now it doesn't look too bad. We're gonna see how tight I can get it without ripping the string. So I'm just pinching the leather together. Ha, that rhymed. I'm just pinching the leather together and then pulling up just the next string, trying to get it tight. So far it looks like it's working, or at least better than what it was. Okay, so now for tying off, it's pretty easy. You just tie at least a double knot. I'm probably gonna do a triple knot. I will say that with this kit, this string is a little thinner than the original string. But hey, for $6, I will take it. I might put it. All right, this is factory sewn. Now this is where I sewed it. This part looks good, man. Okay. Hey, I will take that all day, every day. Now there's not a hole. Hopefully it's sturdy. We'll see how long it lasts. But yeah, if you want to do this on your own for $7, this is it. Didn't even take me that long either. You could try and burn these so they're a little less. I might put a dab of glue over that one, but hey, I will take that.